welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and today's video, it's gonna be short and sweet. I'm trying something new, you guys. I'm branching out. I'm trying something new, and for those of you that have known me for quite some time and follow me on Instagram, you know that I love 90 Day Fiance. So you guys know that every week you see quite a few clips of 90 Day Fiance in my Instagram story. Some people get annoyed, I don't care, unfollow, whatever. I've been doing it for many years, and of course adding in my funny little commentary. Well, I don't think it's funny, but everybody else thinks it's funny, so I guess it's funny. And it gets overwhelming, like my inbox just blows right up, and I try to like respond to everybody, but it's like, it's hard. So I decided to create a YouTube channel dedicated to 90 Day Fiance. Yes, so if you like that show, I'm gonna put the link in the goodie box down below, and go ahead and subscribe, because on that channel it's just gonna be about 90 Day Fiance, maybe some other shows, but I'm gonna start out with 90 Day Fiance first and see how it goes, you know, because I've never really done something like this on YouTube before, and my beauty channel is not the best when it comes to views. But hopefully this one will be different, and I'll get more views and engagement and whatnot, because it will be a lot of fun. Not to say this channel isn't, but you know, we can let loose a little bit more over on that one. So on that channel, I'll be talking about the episode that aired, you know, giving my 2 cents about it and asking you how you feel about it and stuff. And yeah, we'll see how much fun we can have with that channel. That's pretty much all I wanted to say. If you're interested, like I said, check out the goodie box and subscribe. I think I have like 4 subscribers, but that's all right. Hopefully I will see you there. That's all that I have to say. I'm kind of nervous. Wish me luck, you guys. But thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.